Okay, who were some of your childhood heroes?
Fuck you! Ah, shit! Answer the damn phone! Piss!
Hey, I'm gonna do my cable management video for my NZXT Tempest. Okay, let's get it going. So let's take out the side panel. Unplug my side case fan. Alright, here it is. Let's start for the 3-pin side fan connector. Or just side fan. I routed it here, down there, below the power supply to here, so it'd be, you can't really see it, and it would be really easy to take out. So there's my cathode down here, and there's another cathode up there. There's my side, or my rear fan. I got the 8-pin motherboard connector routing from here to up there. I zip tied it to the ventilation hole so it won't like come out or anything. For my rear fan, the 3-pin power goes all the way up there behind the cathode box to the side to the motherboard holes. There's my cathode turning on so to show it easier. My 140 millimeter fans also go behind the cathode and goes in here. There's my 24-pin and my IDE cable. I think it looks pretty well considering it's an IDE cable. I made it smaller and folded it. There's my DVD drive. There's my fan controller with all my fans hooked up. The first one's a Y splitter, which controls 2 fans at the same time, and I'll give you an example. Turn off this cap real quick. Alright, let's show you. Yeah, it controls 2 at a time, which is pretty cool. It saves you space for another cathode, or another fan, or another cathode, or something. And turns off and on with one switch. Yep. Okay. Let's go on to the motherboard holes. First of all, I put 2 VGA cables instead of 1 because I'm going to upgrade to a 4890 soon, and I don't want to have to mess with that and route it all the way back over here. I zip tied it so it'll be in a set. Here's my front panel connectors and my USB. There's my SATA, zip tied that, and also zip tied my front bay, or my front panel connectors. I routed it behind the motherboard tray into here, and then going up here into here, bam, and into here. I'll show you an example of that real quick. So that's what it looks like. Hold on. Yeah. Show you an idea what it looks like. So it goes from up there into here, then routed to over here, and stuck in the hard drives. Here's the SATA power. Here's my bunch of cables here. Zip tied it with the I think it's a 12-inch zip tie. It's a bigger version of this. This is, I think, a 4-inch, so yeah. I think that might be it. I'll pause it and I'll take out the back panel and show you my horrific cable management in the back. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll be right back. Haha. Alright, here's my back panel taken out, and here's my back cable management. It's pretty horrific, but I don't really care what it looks like at all from the back because I don't really look at the back. The only problem is it's very hard to close. You have to like freaking go on top of it with your whole body weight and just like sit on it. I'm just kidding. All you have to do is just like, you still have to push on it really hard, but I was just overreacting. I actually put my cathode box in here because my cathodes wouldn't reach from up there down here. So I put it right here, and instead of putting it here, I put a Velcro strip right here because I'm going to have purple cathodes and a white reactive cathode because I want it to look like it has a lightning effect. It's pretty cool. I have my speaker right there, cathode box, 24-pin routing up there. I got some Velcro ties, some more Velcro ties. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Well, not really. It's all spread apart, so it won't be too much of a hassle to close up, which it already is. So here's my SATA cable, some of my fans, just put it around here. Here's my front stuff for my HDD activity LED. It actually comes in through there, through over here, and routes up over here, then routes up all the way up here to here. Basically everything's in a cluster right here, and then spreads out. So I put the or my 4-pin fan connector, or sorry, 3-pin fan connector under the power supply. So all I have to do is unplug it and then take out my side panel and just unplug it, and the 3-pin won't show at all. So hope you enjoyed, and comment, subscribe. Bye.